Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this hands-free flashlight. So this is one of these lights that you wear on like a glove. With these on, it should help you do tasks, for example, under the sink or hard to reach dark areas where, for example, under the car or something like that, where you might not have the best light. Now your flashlight will be on your hand and ready to go. So this is a pretty innovative product. This is the battery pack itself. So this is the power button here. You can tap it on and off. This is the battery pack and the power module. You can see on the inside, these are the charging electrodes there. So essentially all you have to do is put it on your wrist. And this is the power. So you just tap it on and off for power. And these go on your finger, the lights. So you can wear it on whatever fingers you prefer. But I think the most useful would be your thumb and your index finger. So you can see you can point the light with your index finger or your middle finger, either way, whatever you're comfortable with. You can even put it in your pinky finger. These straps are nice and comfortable, very soft, doesn't scratch or anything like that. To tighten, all you have to do is pull this inner part or push from the other side. It kind of tightens the strap so it can fit more snugly on your finger. So for example, now this will fit more snugly on my ring finger or my middle finger, but you can decide to do it while it's on too. So you essentially just have to push the two sides together and it kind of slides tight like that. Included in this very nice storage case is this magnetic USB powered charger. So all you have to do is plug it in and then this just like snaps right on. So you can see it just magnetically snaps right on. There's also this LED light right here, which is a charging indicator, and it will blink when it's charging. Okay, here I am in my under sink area with the lights on in the room, and you can see it's so dark I can barely work. But let's go ahead and tap this device on and see it. Now you can see everything clearly. As I reach in, the light comes with me, so I don't have to reposition my flashlight or anything like that. So if I have a tool and I'm turning and twisting, doesn't matter, regardless of where I am. The light's on my hand while I can still use the hand to do whatever I need to do. For example, tighten or loosen this device or any of these pipes, whatever it is, I can do my work without having to reposition the flashlight constantly and still have my hand loose to get my work done. As you can tell, these lights are super bright, just two LEDs, yet they're so bright that I can see everything very clearly. It's not heavy at all. It's super lightweight, super ergonomic. As you can see, it's not obstructing my movement at all. The wire is nice and soft, and as you can see, it sits nicely on the back of my hand. And this does such a great job of allowing me to get my work done while not having to focus on setting up the light or moving the light constantly. I'm really happy with how good this flashlight works and how easy it makes it to do my DIY projects. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.